Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solutions. Today I am going to show you how to view all your installed apps in one folder. So, are you tired of searching for your desired apps in Windows 10? This quick trick will show you how to view all of your installed apps in one place. These apps also include from Microsoft Store. So, let's get started. First, you need to press Windows key plus R to open Run dialog box. Once Run dialog box open, then type shell colon apps folder and press OK. This opens a special folder that lists all applications including those you installed from Microsoft Store. There you can see all of the applications are available in this folder. If you find this tutorial helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.